Hello everyone! So I have made my first Zine, a small handmade magazine. I got the idea from one of my members in my Facebook group, A World of Happy Mail. It's an Happy Mail group. Check it out on Facebook if you want to join. And Zine is made of a single sheet of paper. I used an A4 sheet and I'm gonna unfold it and show you. This is a handmade paper I bought here in Norrköping in Sweden. So as you can see, it's one sheet of paper and you fold it once, then twice, and then a third time like that. And then you just cut it open in the middle. There are a lot of good videos here on YouTube that you can watch just how you make it. So once I got started, it showed that this one will be a great birthday one. So I'm just gonna like that. So you can see this is the first page, some butterflies, and it says birthday. Then once you get in, you have a first page with a little pocket with two little tags. I got these in a swap, and in text it says fabulous and you are amazing. I put in a quote, you're awesome, and added some other stickers to it. A flamingo and a sticker and some flowers, and says best day ever. And here are some birds and an airplane. It says, oh, the places you'll go, Globetrotter, and then suitcase. And here's a tag that I actually glued on here, and one that says for you, and it's also a little suitcase. I thought that would be pretty. And on the back it says so fancy. Well, that was my first Zine. They're actually really easy to make. Just have fun, be creative, and do whatever you like with them. And hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.